Conversation 131, between the sub-inspector and the school student. What is the matter, boys? My cycle is stolen. Where did you place your cycle? I placed my cycle under a tree near the entrance. Did you lock the cycle? No, sir. I forgot to lock it. Then, it is your fault. Anyway, give particulars about it. It is a hero cycle painted green. Do you know the number? Yes, sir. The number is Hawaii 433221. Then present a petition. Yes, sir. I shall. Conversation 132, in a big family.
Son, what are you talking to Gumathy?
I am showing her the moon.
When did it rise?
It had risen 1 hour before. It is a full moon day.
Can we see the moon during no moon day?
During Amavasya the sky will be completely dark. What is the white ball through the window?
No. It is not a ball. It is the full moon.
It is very beautiful. Grandpa is calling us for supper. We shall go. Conversation 133, in the dining hall. Why are you slow in eating? I am not well. I am suffering from cold. Did you tell me yesterday? I forgot to tell you. After meals go to the medical shop and get some table. He told me and I forget to tell you. Apply for leave today. No. My teacher will not permit me. I must go to school. Go to the medical shop and then go to school. Yes, father. I will do so. Conversation 134, over telephone.
Hello, Ganesh. How are you?
Hello, Anusya. I am fine.
Have you done the homework in maths?
No. I am ill.
Will you come to school today?
No. I will send a leave letter.
What is your trouble?
I am suffering from headache.
Did you consult a doctor?
No. I am taking tablets.
Is your mother at home?
Yes. She is.
Shall I come for help?
Please come to inform me about the lessons taught today. Conversation 135, in birthday invitation.
Dear Arun, how are you?
Quite okay, you are welcome.
I am celebrating my 9th birthday day after tomorrow.
Well. Where is the function arranged?
It is arranged in a Kalyanamandapam.
Where is it?
It is just next to my house.
Will your uncle from Trichy attend the function?
No. He is unable. But he has sent me a camera as his birthday present.
Who is she?
She is my sister. She is doing BSc in Madurai.
I invite both of you to the function. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel, Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.